Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and I'm so happy because my publisher just told me that my brand new book on the basics of drawing, the ultimate guide, is about to be released. You may pre-order it with the link below. In today's tutorial we will make a sketch of a mouse, but mainly we will go over the concept of value in drawing. Value refers to the lightness or darkness of a color. In the next 4 weeks I will be picking some valuable information from the book and we will go over it here in the tutorial. And we will also have challenges with prizes, which I will tell you about in a little bit here in this video. Chapter 2 of the book is called The Basic Elements of Drawing. These basic elements are shape, color, value, and edges. Value is often included within color because it is in fact a characteristic of color. But it is so important, and as when drawing in black and white it becomes the only characteristic of color that we work with, then I gave it its own entry. There are an unlimited number of values, but a value scale, as shown here, may simplify it to 10. Black is often number 1, while white is 10. Working with a small range of values may result in flat drawings, but with contrasting values, you can show volume and light. To make things shine, you need high contrast. Some time ago, to show the point, I made a tutorial called How to Draw Light or something like that, in which I showed the drawing of a candle with a very low range of values, that is with low contrast, like the one on the left, and you could not see the shine, and also it looked very flat. But once we added some darks and saw a high contrast, we immediately see the light and also the volume. And this time I'm doing the same thing. I'm drawing this little mouse with a slightly hard lead and edge, and therefore it will not have a lot of contrast at first. You can see the shape of the drawing and it has a little bit of volume, but not very much. But now I switch to a carbon pencil. This is made with a combination of graphite and charcoal to produce really dark blacks. So with this we should be able to pull more contrast to give a better illusion of volume. Here we simply reinforce the darks. My book will be released in bookstores on the 1st of December, although it can be pre-ordered from Amazon already. For the launch of this book, we will hold 4 drawing challenges. Each will be launched on every Tuesday of November. The first challenge, that will run from the 3rd to the 9th of November, will be about value. Upload your own creations where you apply the concept of value. Use the link below to go to the challenge page. You can upload your drawings there or download the app where you can also interact with the community. I look forward to seeing your drawings, and please in the comments tell me how this experience with Vibely is for you, to see if we will use them in the future to help us organize more activities. Also, if you pre-order the book, which I would love you to do, email the proof of receipt to my team to mail@artistleonardo to participate in a raffle and be able to win a personal art consultation with me, as well as a 223 mechanical pencil. And if you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the secret code, the curious little mouse. We give it the last touches and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already, join the challenge and pre-order the book with the links below, and I will see you with another lesson and challenge on Tuesday.